From this video, I would like to explain about the construction. Construct a quadrilateral lamp with AM is equals to PM is equals to PL is equals to 5 centimeters and angle M is equals to 90 degrees and angle P is equals to 60 degrees. This is from exercise 3.5 of class 8 from AP and Telangana state boards. Hi, this is Madhubabu. The construction is construct a quadrilateral lamp with AM is equals to MP is equals to PL is equals to 5 centimeters. Angle M is equals to 90 degrees and angle P is equals to 60 degrees. We have to draw a rough diagram. Here LA is not given, so take AM as a base. Why? In this AM already angle M is given, that's why you can take AM as a base. AM, that is 5 centimeters, and angle M is equals to 90 degrees, so 90 degrees, and AMP, MP also 5 centimeters, angle P is 60 degrees and PL is 5 centimeters. Now you join AL. So this is the rough diagram of a given quadrilateral. Now let us go to draw the original diagram. Draw a line segment AM is equals to 5 centimeters. Zero to 5. This is AM, that is 5 centimeters, and here two angles 90 degrees and 60 degrees also standard angles, so we can construct 90 degrees without using protractor also. So how can we see now? Take some radius with compass, no need to measure like this one. Take like this, take some radius with compass and take M as the center, so measurement as radius, draw an arc. We should maintain this radius until we have the construction of 90 degrees. So with the same radius, from the intersecting point of this side and this arc, take as center and draw an arc. It indicates 60 degrees, and from 60 degrees with this same radius draw another arc. It indicates 120 degrees. So we have to construct 90 degrees. 90 degrees lies between 60 and 120. So from 60 degrees you draw one arc. And from 120 degrees you draw another arc. From M, through this intersecting point, draw a ray MX. Now it will be 90 degrees at M. We can check by using protractor also. So it is exactly 90 degrees. So it is 90 degrees, angle M 90 degrees, and MP is equals to 5 centimeters. Take 5 centimeters radius with compass. Now take M as the center, 5 centimeters as the radius, draw an arc. It cuts MX ray at P. The length of MP is 5 centimeters. Now angle P is equals to 60 degrees. So we can construct 60 degrees without using protractor also. So take some radius like this and take P as center with this radius. With this radius, draw an arc. With this same radius, the intersecting point of the side MP and the arc, take as center, draw an arc. So it indicates 60 degrees at P. From P, through this intersecting point of the arc, two arcs, you draw a ray, that is PY. PY, it is 60 degrees. Angle P is equals to 60 degrees. We can check by protractor also. Now it is exactly 60 degrees. And next, PL length is 5 centimeters. So take 5 centimeters as the radius. Take 5 centimeters radius with the compass. Take P as the center and for this 5 centimeters as the radius, draw an arc. Draw an arc. It cuts the ray PY at L. So PL length is 5 centimeters. Now you join AL. So the required quadrilateral lamp is constructed. Now let us go to the steps of construction. The first step is draw a line segment AM is equals to 5 centimeters. Second step is draw a ray MX making an angle 90 degrees with MA. Third step is take M as center, 5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. It cuts the ray MX at P. Fourth step is draw a ray PY making an angle 60 degrees with PM. The next step is take P as center, 5 centimeters as radius, draw an arc. It cuts the ray PY at L. The next step is join AL. Therefore, the required quadrilateral lamp is constructed. So, this construction is over. If you like the video, please like it and share it and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.